Thanks. Well, the sentencing of a man convicted of murder in Rogers County will be put on hold because of allegations of misconduct from prosecutors. Two Rogers County prosecutors are accused of using a security room at the courthouse to watch jurors as they deliberated the case. News on 6's Chin Doan joining us now live in the newsroom with details that you will only see tonight on 6. Chin.
Brian, it's too early to know whether this could lead to a mistrial in the case. Robert Kraft's attorneys say they're waiting for the investigation to be done before they decide their next steps. The Rogers County District Attorney's Office apologizes to Robert Kraft's attorneys and the judge for the misconduct of two of its prosecutors and promised to make sure it doesn't happen again. Judge Stephen Pazzo first met with both sides privately for about 40 minutes. Kraft's defense attorney says this is a unique situation.
I will tell you that I doubt that you can ever ask any living attorney in Oklahoma if this type of episode has ever happened before, because I can't think of any.
In court, a Rogers County assistant DA explained their office recently called for an internal investigation of two employees, Isaac Shields and George Gibbs Jr., after learning those prosecutors had used a security camera to watch the jury deliberate on July 1st. The jury was deciding whether Kraft was guilty of murder and did convict him. The DA's office says there was no audio, and the two prosecutors did not communicate with any jurors. Those two prosecutors have been suspended from their jobs, while investigators look into whether they violated state law. Kraft's attorney says he appreciates how the investigation is being handled so far.
We're talking about an isolated incident, and we're talking about a district attorney's office that immediately was transparent regarding the incident. So I don't believe that there should be any concern about this. Sensitive? We should always be sensitive about it. Concern? I don't think so.
The DA's office said yesterday it cannot comment since the investigation is not over. Kraft was originally set to be sentenced August 18th, but that's now been postponed due to the investigation. Chin Doan, Oklahoma Zone, News on 6.